Shalom. Today we have another chapter in understanding Hebrew verb structure. And the reason that we have it is because originally I had shown you some slides for how to find the parsing for the verbs on Blue Letter Bible. And believe it or not, in the past 10 years, Blue Letter Bible has changed their website. They are actually continually upgrading their website and adding new features, which is a good thing. So previously I had shown you this verse, Isaiah 21:11, and we looked at the word shomer. Procedure is still the same at the beginning. You go to the verse, you hit the tools box, and then you hit the interlinear. And the interlinear still comes up with all the words one by one translated, showing their Strong's numbers. But now there is a new column. The whole column says parsing, and you get the series of letters which give you the parsing. And you can click on that, and let's see what it shows. So in the upper box, we have the word as it appears in the verse, shomer. We have the root, shamar. We have the Strong's number. We have an English translation, watchman. It says language Hebrew, and then the code is H, blibbity blah, 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 which is defined immediately below. So the H stands for Hebrew. The V stands for verb. The Q here stands for call, and it says that's the stem. Remember, they indicate what we call binyan as the stem. Kal is the same as pa'al. Now you get a lot more information. The R stands for participle, and this tells us the tense. Then we have the gender. M is for masculine. We have the number. S is for singular. And A is for absolute as opposed to construct. If you've been studying the construct formation, then you know what that is. Otherwise, don't worry about it. So you have a lot more information besides just the binyan. This can really help you nail down exactly what you're looking at. So that's the update on finding the parsing for verbs in Blue Letter Bible. Remember, you can find the conjugation for most verbs at pe'alim.com. There are some verbs which are only used in Tanakh, which you will not find in Pe'alim. They're not used in modern Hebrew, and Pe'alim is a modern Hebrew site. Also, you will find the modern Hebrew spelling, which basically inserts extra letters where we would rely on the vowel markings. As far as studying the verbs from beginning to wherever we are now, you can go to this playlist. This is my playlist on the verbs workshop, and I will put a link to this in the description box below. The first 4 videos are an overview with a few examples. After the 4 overview, you will find videos on each of the following. The next order is everything that's participles in the present, how to form the participle in pa'al. There's one video for PL and hifil, one video for pual and hofal, one for hitpa'el, one for nifal, and a special one because hollow verbs sometimes take different kind of conjugation. Then there is a series of videos on the past, the perfect tense, one for pa'al, one for pil, one for nifil, one for hifil, and one for everything else. There's just not that many examples of some of these things, so they're all in one video. Then we have some videos for the imperfect, for the future tense, and then there's one video on infinitives. Then there's several other odd things that you can peruse at your leisure. I pray that this is helping you. I know that a lot of people, thousands of people, have watched the very first video. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email me. Until next time, shalom.